Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you are well and have an amazing day. It's Saturday, April 9th, 2022. It's around 2 p.m. and the temperature is 29 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across Sule Pagoda Road. Let's walk. It's a bright sunny day today and nice gentle breeze blowing around. It's a perfect weather condition today. As you can see on the right side, this is Myanmar Fire Service and Civil Defense. On the left side, these are some colonial era building. There are lots of vehicles parked on both sides of the street. On the left side, that is Yangon City Hall. There are lots of green trees beside the footpath. It enhances the beauty of the city. That golden color stupa is Sule Pagoda. This is 2500 years old pagoda. This is the iconic landmark of Yangon city. Over there, the red color building is a former High Court building. It is British colonial era building. On the right side, that is a mosque for Muslim community named Bengali Sunni Mosque. As you can see, there are some Muslim community people here. This is Yangon City Hall. On the right side, this is the entrance of Sule Pagoda. As you can see, people are going inside Sule Pagoda. People are taking photographs in front of Sule Pagoda. That is the stage for upcoming festival, Thinjian Water Festival. This is one of the biggest event in Myanmar. As you can see, the preparation for the Thinjian festival is ongoing. The decoration of the stage already completed. On the left side, that is Mahabandula Park. That is the Independence Monument of Myanmar. As you can see, there are lots of green trees in the park. On the right side, that cream color building is old colonial era building. This is the center point of Yangon city, downtown Yangon. This is the entrance of Sule Pagoda. This is Sule Pagoda roundabout. That is a foot over bridge linked to Sule Pagoda. It's a bright sunny day and lovely afternoon now. Now I am walking around Sule Pagoda roundabout. That is Emmanuel Baptist Church. As you can see, the construction of the stage for Thingian festival almost done. It is now prepared for celebrate the Thingian water festival. It's a wonderful atmosphere indeed. Now I'm walking beside a footpath at Sule Pagoda Road. On the right side, that is Center Point Towers. As you can see, this is Center Point Towers. Some corporate offices are located here, and also the office of May Bank here, as you can see. There are lots of green trees in a row beside the footpath. It enhances the beauty of the city. There are some street food vendors beside the footpath, as you can see. On the right side, that is Pullman Hotels. It is one of the luxurious hotel in Yangon. On the left side, that is Yangon Stock Exchange building. It was formerly the Central Bank of Burma office. Now I am walking across a footpath beside Merchant Street. As you can see on the right side, that white color building is Colonial era building. It is now using as office. On the right side, that building is Myanmar government office, Myanmar taxpayer office. Now I am walking across Pan Sudan Street. As you can see on the right side, that is Myanmar Agricultural Development Bank. It was a former colonial era building. There are lots of colonial era buildings beside this street. As you can see, that white color building, it's also an old colonial era building. It is European style building. This building is now using as a government office of Inland Water Transport Department. On the left side, it is also government office, as you can see. On the right side, that cream color building is former Sapphire building. As you can see, it's a wonderfully structured building, Sapphire and Company building. It was built by former Jewish community people. That is Lokonath Galleries. That is Shui Bank office, as you can see. As you can see on the right side, that is the office of Shui Bank. There are lots of old buildings here. As you can see on the left side, that red color building is former High Court building. It is an old colonial era building. This is Pansudan Street, Yangon, Myanmar. As you can see on the right side, there are lots of old colonial era building. These are Yangon City Heritage building. Vehicles are moving across the road, maintaining the traffic rules and regulation of the city. There are some street vendors beside the footpath, as you can see. Over there, that is an old colonial era building. Now it is named as Chaw Business Center. This is Mahabandula Road. Now I am walking across Mahabandula Road. As you can see, the preparation for Thinjian Water Festival is ongoing. The stage construction already completed. As it is holiday today, there is very less people and vehicles in this road. As you can see, that is the stage for the Indian Water Festival. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.